Hey guys, I hope you're all having an awesome day today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for the month of February. So if you want to see what I got in my box, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so right off the bat, I noticed that this month's box is a little bit smaller, kind of taller a little bit, but not as wide. I don't know, that doesn't matter, but I did notice it right away. And here's the little insert. This month's theme is Boxycharm XOXO. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day and I love it. Just in case you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service. For this box, you pay $25 a month and you get 5 full-size beauty products, makeup and skincare related products. And you're promised a retail value of at least $120 and you pay $25, which is pretty cool. But again, this month's theme is Boxycharm XOXO. Let me get started showing you guys what I got. Okay guys, so the first thing in my box is what I chose, and I'm so excited to see this up close, is the Ace Beauté Nostalgia palette. And first, look at the packaging. It's so stunning and tropical and just beautiful. And perfect to display. If you watch my decluttering videos, I display my palettes in my room. So this is perfect for my little corner for my palettes. Let me open it up and show you guys what it looks like. Again, the same picture on the palette here. And let's take a look. It has a really decent size mirror, which I love. And this is the color story. What a beautiful and colorful and bright color story. I feel like I have so many neutral palettes and I just really love color. So it's nice to have a palette like this one that has so many bright colors. And I think it'll be my go-to for when I just want a bright look. Because I feel like I have some colorful palettes, but I feel like I don't have one that has so much variety like this one does. Okay guys, so this palette retails for $38.99 and I think it's beautiful, and I will definitely be creating a nice shadow look with this very soon. I think it's just stunning. I love it, and that was what I chose. The next item in my box is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. It says this is a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. It says this unique jelly texture mask is crafted with the yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. That sounds so interesting. So it's a vitamin C sleep mask. That sounds really interesting, even though I'm not crazy about skincare. This just sounds... The packaging is beautiful. Just stunning. That's really pretty. Wow. Let me open it up because it just feels different. So when you open it up, it looks like you have... I guess maybe this is to scoop up the product, like an applicator. But let's open it up. Oh, it smells very citrusy. That looks really, really cool. So it is like a jelly-like texture. And that just seems really interesting. Even though I'm not crazy about getting skincare, I think this I'm going to have to try out. Because it just, I don't know. It caught my attention. It seems very interesting. So I might try that out very soon. And that retails for $29. The next item in my box is the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. It says, get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the clear shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow, and it retails for $22. So this is for your lips and your cheeks. Okay, and I do love this packaging. So it looks like it's a cream blush. Really, really pretty. I honestly don't use cream blushes, but it says you can use it on your lips too, so I might try it out for that. It's very like coral peachy, but very light. Like I don't see this showing up too much on my skin, but it's pretty. And then on the other side is a clear balm, and it has a really cute mirror. This is really cute. I like the packaging a lot. I can see myself wearing this sort of like a chapstick. So I like that. And again, that retails for $22. The next item in my box is the Glamir Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. And this retails for $29.95 and it's a new launch. I love getting eyeshadow brushes because I use them so often that I can't keep up with washing them. So this is the packaging that it comes in. I think it's so cute. It's hot pink and glittery. I already know my daughter's gonna want this. She loves makeup and she loves hot pink and purple things. And then here are the brushes. I think I saw this online, yeah. So these brushes are so cute. Let me take it out of the packaging. Okay, so here are the brushes. They're really cute because I think they're really cute because they have hearts inside and then like they move around. You see like this. I hope that they work nicely, honestly, because my daughter, for her 5th birthday in August, I bought something so similar to this off Amazon because she loved makeup, and I bought like purple, pink, sparkly ones that have like glitter inside, and they look exactly the same, and they were very cheap. And they actually, like, the top, this thing here has broken for most of them now, so I hope that they're not super cheap, but they do look really pretty. This one seems like it's, I don't know, like there's a part of it that wants to break off. I hope that they work nicely. They don't feel super like brittle, like they feel kind of soft. So I'm willing to try them. I feel like I can make any kind of brush work. As long as it's the right size, I can make it work. But they are really pretty. I love that for Valentine's Day. And the little bag is adorable. I know my daughter's gonna want that. Okay guys, and the last item in my box is the St. Luxe Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. It says, this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting and hydrating formula, the liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. And this retails for $40 and it's also a new launch. I actually love lip liners. Most of my lip liners recently have gotten from Boxycharm and Ipsy too. And I've been obsessed. Oh, these are both, okay, I see the difference now. It's like 2 different shades of brown, like a cooler tone one and a warmer one. Let's swatch these. And here they are swatched. So I can definitely see myself getting use out of these. This right here seems like a universal shade for me. That's what I use mostly for everything. If I can't find like something that matches a lipstick, I'll use something like this. And even this brown. So these would definitely get some use in my collection, and I'm excited that I got that. So just to recap, I got a lip liner duo and a brush set, a vitamin C sleep mask, this cheek and lip hydrating duo, and a beautiful eyeshadow palette. And that was all for $25, so I think that was definitely worth it. This was honestly a really nice box, and let me just add everything up and see what the total value is. Okay guys, so according to my calculations, my box was worth $159.94, and I only paid $25 for it. And I think it was totally a really nice box, and I'm excited to try everything out. I forgot to mention that my box weighed 1.9 pounds, and my variation is C2102004-BA. I like to say that because I know a lot of people like to track and see what they're gonna get. I was like that. I know how that feels. But anyway, I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you all in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys. Mwah.